In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if your laptop is restarting again and again. So let's get started. Press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. Here you need to simply type sysdm.cpl sysdm.cpl and click on OK. Now here in the System Properties window, we just need to click on the Advanced tab. Now here we can find Startup and Recovery. Click on the Settings button. And here you have to look for Automatically Restart. Make sure this is disabled. If this is checked on your Windows, simply uncheck it and click on OK. And then click on OK again. Again, press the Windows key and letter R button together. Here you need to type regedit, and you have to click on OK. And here you'll find the path, computer, HK local machine, software, policies, Microsoft, and Windows. Do not worry, the registry path will be pasted in the description section of this video so that you can go directly into this path, okay? HK local machine, software, policies, Microsoft, and Windows. Once you find Windows, make a right click and then select new, select key. Now type in here, capital letter W, small INDOWS, capital letter U, small PDATS. Windows updates, no space in between, capital letter for the beginning of each word like Windows, capital letter W, and updates, capital letter U. And then make a right click on it, select new, select key. Now type capital letter A, capital letter U. AU, okay? Click on the open space and then click on AU, make a right click, select new, select the word 32-bit value. And here simply follow me for the name that we're going to put to the value. It's capital letter N, small o, capital letter A, small UTO, no auto, capital letter R, small EBOOT, capital letter W, small ITH, capital letter L, small OGGED, and capital letter O, small n, capital letter U, small SER. The same thing as what you can see on the screen. No auto reboot with logged on user, and then you have to double click. Okay, the same thing, capital letters for each word, but there are no space in between. Double click. By default, this is value data 0. Now you have to change this to 1 and click on OK. And then close this. And then finally, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart to apply the changes that we have made. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.